Gusto ko ipakilala sa inyo ang aking bagong assistant. Ito na po. Tabi mo natin to. Walang iba kundi ang bagong DJI OM4. So it follows me around wherever I want to go. Especially pag magandang lighting. So I think we're ready to film. All right, let's do this. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Bisdak Chef. I'm your host, Rex Alba. And on today's episode po, tayo ay hindi muna magluluto. So, set-aside muna natin ang ating pagluto kasi naghahanap ako ng assistant para makatulong naman sa akin sa pag-film ng ating production. Gusto ko ipakilala sa inyo ang aking bagong assistant. Ito na po. Tabi mo natin to. Walang iba kundi ang bagong DJI OM4. So ito ang luma ko before. This was, I would say, 4 years ago, I would say. So, stabilizer din siya. Pero ito yung camera niya. Ang phone mo lang is used as a monitor. Dito. Na-monitor mo yung filming. So, I'm gonna get rid of this one. We would say goodbye to this DJI Osmo, old version. Alright. And say hello to the new DJI OM4. Alright? So, since I am using my case on my phone, so I prefer na gamitin ko yung clamp. So, you want to make sure that yung illustration ng camera goes to the point, especially sa sa aking Samsung, you want to make sure that nandun yung part kung saan ang camera. So, my camera is on this side. So I am placing this picture here. I want to make sure that nandito nakalagay ang aking clamp, nakadirect. I also decided to use yung ring clip. So instead of putting this directly in my phone, I placed it on my case para magamit ko whenever I want to use my phone. It's very convenient, and it does not really become a hindrance sa pagmaneuver ng ating gimbal. You want to make sure parang may recession dito would fit dito sa ating phone clip din. And boom. Yun, pasok na. Yun. Automatic na siya. And since I want it on a landscape mode, so just push twice. There you go. And mag-login tayo sa ating Mimo app. So since we are already connected to Bluetooth, I'm just gonna press camera. There you go. We have our screen now. So if you would like to have it in landscape mode, just push the button twice. And that's how we normally film sa landscape mode. Okay. So the joystick just allows you to change the position of your phone. Yung angle niya, pwede up, down, side to side. So wherever you want to, pero hindi niya kaya ang 360. That's the only thing. So assuming our phone is tilted a little bit, you wanna realign the phone. Just push or pull this trigger once. It will later align on the subject. And if you want to reposition to the original position or facing you, just push the trigger twice. There you go. Now, if gusto mong ilipat yung camera view from the rear camera to the front camera, just push or pull the trigger again 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Boom. There you are. Since I want this to follow me around, so kailangan ko rin ng monitor. Switch ko lang yung camera mode. Tapos, gamitin ko lang yung joystick to bring it up. There you go. That looks good. Perfect. Adjust ko lang yung mic. Alright. Then, guhitan ko lang kung saan ang gusto ko ng focal point. That will be my face. So, wherever I go, it follows. See? So, it follows me around wherever I want to go. Especially pag magandang lighting. So, I think we're ready to film. Alright, let's do this. So, it follows me around whenever I want to film. So, you want to make sure you're in the frame. And there you go. Okay. So, it's very convenient, especially pag may magandang lighting. Okay. So first, we are going to play on the panoramic mode. And on this gimbal, the panoramic mode has different effects. It can go from 3x3, from 240 degrees, and also the most popular one is the clone me. So check this out. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to push the record button. How cool is that? So the next one we're going to play around is the time lapse. Next one, and I'm so excited about this, is the hyperlapse. Basically, the difference between hyperlapse and time lapse is that on the hyperlapse you can move around, as opposed to the time lapse where you need to have a pretty sturdy object or like a tripod para makuha ang video. Let's play around with our Dynazoom. So on the Dynazoom, you have 2 effects. You have the move out effect and you have the move in effect. So let's see how this works, okay? So this is our move out effect. So basically, just find a focal point or a subject. So move out. So now we are doing the move-in mode. So basically, you just make a square where your subject is. There you go. And now hit record and slowly get into the subject. So if you go to video mode, you will find this on the left side, these icons here. Just push the lower button left, and it will show you all these options. So if you don't see this, press this middle button and this will pop up. So what we're basically looking for is the different modes of the follow mode. So if you press follow, you'll see the tilt lock, FPV, and the spin shot. I know what FPV means, but okay, let's do the spin shot. Follow mode, basically, that's what we did in our previous video. It follows us. Now the spin shot, this is how it looks. Now my favorite mode is this story mode. So it basically makes a story for you. You can choose from different options. You can choose from leisure, from fashion to sports, or you can even do a custom-made layout. You can use the charger that comes with it. It charges about 2 hours for a full battery charge, which can last you about 15 hours, pero I haven't tried that long yet. So you also have a slot here on the side for a USB cable. So if you were to run out of battery, assuming you have like right now I have the Samsung S20 Ultra, so you can just hook up the USB cable and hook up the phone at the same time while you are filming. Okay guys, napakita ko sa inyo ang features ng DJI OM4. So sobrang cool siya, very it serves the purpose, especially sa akin. I mean, it would really help me dito sa kitchen, especially yung mga yung follow me mode niya. Oh my goodness, I would really be doing more videos, especially with this guy here. So on my next video guys, I will be using yung OM4 ko fully sa video. So watch out for that and let me know if may difference ba. I'm using a Canon M50 right now, so let me see kung may difference ba if I'm using the gimbal. Of course, my wide lens ang gimbal, but yeah, let me know if you notice any difference. And guys, I will be giving away the lower version, the version one step lower lang nito, which is the DJI Osmo Mobile 3. The only difference is yung magnetic clamp niya. So you used to be using yung Mimo app. So you will also have those features ng follow me mode, tsaka yung ibang features na pinakita ko. I'm not sure about the story mode, but and the clone me, that's the version for this. So wala yun. But most of what I've shown you, kaya niyong gawin sa iyong bagong DJI Osmo Mobile 3. So guys, all you need to do is comment on yung previous video at saka dito, either ng videos, kasi magbubunot tayo, and we'll do a comment picker, and just comment Bisdak. So make sure you also subscribe me and like this video, and I hope you also ring the notification bell para sa upcoming uploads natin aware kayo, at saka malay mo baka may paraffle tayo. But for today guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the contest later after this premiere. So just go to Pinoy Hangout Production. That's on our Facebook page. So Pinoy Hangout Productions. I'm gonna write it down here. So Pinoy Hangout Production on Facebook page. We will be doing the drawing on that page right now. So see you and have a good day. Thank you guys.